Hi! Today, we take a closer look at our app Beyond Service. With Beyond Service, you can create service documents faster, store more information on service documents and service records, and extend your Business Central with helpful new features for the service area. Let's take a closer look together. Create your service documents faster. Copy existing service documents or create service documents directly from the service item list. Service specifications and text templates help you to add valuable information to your documents. For more detailed records and documents, we implemented columns in the service documents to view the individual cost for parts and resources. Images for service items and service text can also be saved for service items, and there is an option to enforce users to specify an external document number when creating a service document. Last but not least, we added more general functionality to the service area in Business Central. You can save service documents as a PDF file and send the documents by email. Specify your service vehicles as storage locations to transfer items from the warehouse to the vehicle and have an up-to-date item stock. You can also assign a default bin for your service and sales. In the following, we are going to show you some of our features. Let's start with the faster document creation features. To work faster and more efficient in the service of Business Central, we added several options. Beyond Service enables you to quickly create new service documents. The copy option allows you to transfer the main information from an old document to the new document. You can also create your documents from the service item list or service item card. The information on the card are then transferred to the new document. In some cases, in the service, the customer is not the one who pays the bill for the service. We extended the default service order types with service specifications so you can add important information like a predefined customer or more information about the bill to customer for certain service order types. With our service text features, you can swiftly add valuable information for your service employees. Here I show an example of a service order in which the service texts are used to quickly describe the problem of the service item and provide the resolution approach for the service employee. You also have the option of adding an internal note to the order. In addition to these great features for faster document creation, we have also ensured in our app that you get clearer and better data. In the service document lines, we added 2 columns which show the amount of parts and resources for the service line. You can also upload images of service items for an easier identification. If you want to enforce that your service employees need to fill in external document numbers when they create new service documents, you can activate this new option in the Service Management Setup. Once the option is activated, the external document number field for service order in quotes is mandatory. With Beyond Service, you can also set up service vehicles as storage locations. In this way, you always have an up-to-date item storage. Furthermore, you can define a default bin for service and sales. The setup allows you to define default bins for regular items and for items with item tracking codes. If you need any more information about Beyond Service, please contact us. Just download Beyond Service from App Source and start your 30 days trial. And if you are a Business Central partner, we're happy to welcome you as a reseller. We can also easily customize our app to your specific needs. This is Beyond IT.